Let's check if there's a stereo speaker on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first of all, we'll need to find speakers on this device, and the first one will be right here on the top of our screen. That's a phone call speaker. Next, speakers can be located on the bottom. First one right here, another one right here. So there's 3 speakers on this device, and then to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. And here I have the music. Let's start playing it. Then we're gonna cover each of the speakers with our fingers and see if the sound is coming from both of them. Okay, so the sound is coming from all of the speakers, which confirms that this device does have a stereo speaker.